Increased human activity has threatened the existence of many plant and animal species around the world. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, is the world's largest organization working towards conserving biodiversity. The IUCN has categorized all the threatened species of plants and animals across the globe in a book called Red Data Book. Here are the different categories listed in the Red Data Book. Let's see some of these categories in detail.
Endangered species. When a species faces a high risk of extinction in the near future, they will be termed as endangered species. So in the near future, in the sense maybe 30 years or 35 years. So in that meantime, if that course of time, if they are going to extinct, if they are not taken care, they are going to extinct. So such a species will be called as endangered species. Example, snow leopard, one-horned rhino, black buck and giant panda. Extinct animals. So when no member of a species exists or disappeared completely from the earth, so such animals or such species will be termed as extinct animals. So no more, the organisms are no more surviving on the earth. So for example, this dinosaur, dinosaur is no more living on the earth. Like that, the dodo bird, it's given in the textbook, do you know box, and passenger pigeon, Caribbean monk seal are some of the animals. Here dwarf rhino also and pink-headed duck. So these are extinct from the earth. Vulnerable species. Vulnerable species are those that faces a high risk of extinction in the medium term. So these are the examples are garline, sloth bear, white tiger and red panda. So these are vulnerable species. Vulnerable species are better than endangered species, right? Endemic species are unique to a particular geographical location, such as maybe a specific island, maybe habitat or a habit or a nation or a well-defined zones. So to be endemic to a particular place or an area means they are found only in that area, nowhere else in the world. So such organisms will be called as endemic organisms or endemic species. For example, here in the pic you can see that orange-breasted sunbird. They are present only in Fynbos Islands. So this Fynbos vegetation type like southwestern and South African areas, so they will be present. Next, the other one is lion-tailed macaque is endemic to the western Ghats of southwest India. Right? Now, these endemic species, like endemic species will be located in a particular area we discussed, no, like kangaroos of Australia, like that. So, if the area is altered, if anything happened to that particular area, these organisms also will be affected very, very badly. Now, the next topic will be what are the reasons for extinction of these endemic species. So every country and every person is the primary responsibility is to protect the animals. If the animals are no more, then human beings are also no more. So for our survival, we have to make the animals to live in their own habitat, right?